Yun lang yung sasaka naman.
Papa, I broke again. It's okay.
It's okay, hindi. We'll fix that. Ah?
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to paint. I'm going to paint. I love it.
Yeah. Ay, hindi. Acrylic na eh. Hindi na mabutan sa tubig. This is acrylic. Be careful, ha?
Okay. Not this, it's because it's already open. I know how to open it.
Don't use this one.
Okay.
Di ka na nagkuha? Gimana kasi na eh?
Papa, if it's dry, then it's not going to be I guess I'm just going to paint. My dad works every day. Oh, why is that? My dad works every day, and he buys this. Oh, he buys the candy and chocolates, and he buys this paint. This one. This one. That's good. Actually, I cannot open it. I'm just gonna tell my dad. Papa, he did not open this. Yeah?
Ilang basta?
I'm sorry if this video is long, because it might be a live, because it might be a live stream. I have a new guitar, but it's broken. It's not on. Let me. are you doing? Papa, what are you doing?
Hindi na boss, Papa.
Huh?
Hindi na boss.
Ah! Papa, open please. Let's continue. I'm gonna draw a tree. I hope you like my painting. I got this by cell phone. I just buy that. That's Papa. That's not I buy that. I'm gonna write my name. Papa, I want to go to the airport.
Why? Why do you want to go to the airport?
It's because I want to go. Maybe later. Papa, can I just put the painting after? It's because what if I put the another color and it will blend? Can I just put a paint in the water beach because what
Okay. You ask nanay sa sunod na. Next time. Ano gusto mo i-paint na? Hindi lang wait lang paano naka-plastic. Sa toys na lang, buta ko parang hindi kilain.
Ha?
Yung mga toys, hindi lang naka-plastic.
Why are you using the toy? The best result will. The result will. Where I think the result will shock you a very little bit. This is the toys. That's my new toy. That's my plan. Papa, Havane's battery like this. Havane's battery.
Well, potato. Hindi ah. Panas po kayo kasi malaka. Yeah. Well, you also want to paint in the eye?
Yes.
Ha? Ka-paint ka? You want?
I put battery sa
Wait,
kambara.
tagal na. Ganda ba ang bagsin? Come here, come here. Hinday, come here. Hinday, come here, Hinday. Bala mo hindi niya sama dissolve net at sa karili.
What's the pain? Where's the what? Here. Okay, pinks.
Anong gusto mong color?
Blue.
Blue, this one. You want? I will get you smaller paintbrush.
Yes.
You want? Wait lang.
What?
There. What do you want? You want me to draw Pocoyo? And I just like this, I will draw Pocoyo. You want? Yeah, you want me to draw this?
Where's the peach?
Wait lang. I will drink Pocoyo. I will draw
Papa?
Pocoyo. Yes.
My water.
I do. You can put it here. Together with the manakado. Okay, ito pa. You want Papa to draw, ah?
Okay, part 2 is coming. Part 2 is coming. Bye.